Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. If you have not already done so, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and become a bestie like right now, because I mean, why not? Why wouldn't you want to become a bestie? So we are getting into, where did that come from? Must have been from my thing. So we're going to use our MakseLife Planner this week because we can finally use it. Actually, I said finally use it, like when I said that, I meant like I got this at the end of June. I'm like, I can't start this in that last week. I want to do more. I want more and more and more. All right, so we're gonna do a plan with me in here, and as you guys know from my video with everything the other day, this is the monthly, and then it has your monthly goals inside there, so I'm gonna set that up pretty soon. And then this has the weekly actions, which yeah, I had plans to do this earlier in the week, and as you can see, here we are. This is what we have. All right, so we need to get us our sticker kit, which I have somehow managed to lose. Let me find it. All right, I'm gonna be using this kit from Planner Pixie Co. This is a printable kit that I got, and I have been wanting to use this for quite some time now, but just actually didn't do it. So now I have an opportunity to do it, and let's go ahead and see what all comes in the kit. So there's the washi, because I was getting ready to go grab my Simply Gilded washi, and here go our full boxes. All right, so you get quite a lot of stickers when you get the kit, and then you also get this extra page here, so that if you have it has different skin tones basically on there. And I really like this sheet anyways because it has these on there, and I think they're so stinking cute. All right, so let's go ahead and start planning, and this will probably become a voiceover because y'all know how I get to talking and stuff, and yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, it's a little short, so I'm gonna have to put it more towards the middle. It's not a little space.
I lose control.